Hello, this is Deshmukh Gajanan. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal with an important topic of English grammar. Today we are going to study the use of the definite article the. There are three articles in English language. They are an, and the. And an are indefinite articles. The is a definite article. First of all, try to understand. The is a definite article. Why do we call the a definite article? Why do we call it a definite article? Because it talks about some particular person or thing. Okay, the is called a definite article because it talks about some particular person or thing. In this video we are going to study the various uses of the article the. Let us study the various uses of the article the with me. We are going to study the various uses of the article the with various examples. Please have a look at the board. First of all, see here, we use the article the when we want to talk about some when we want to talk about a particular person or thing. Okay, we use the article the when we want to talk about a particular person or thing. Now let us study one example of this type. Example, let's visit the temple. So here in this sentence we have used an article the temple. So what does it mean? It means a particular temple. That's why we have used the article the here. The temple means particular temple. Again, when do we use the article the? When we talk about a person or thing. When we talk about a person or thing already referred to, we use the definite article the when we talk about a person or thing already referred to. Let us make it clear with the help of an example. I met a boy. The boy was clever. I met a boy. The boy was clever. Here you can see two sentences on the board. So here in the first sentence I have used an article a before a boy, but in the second sentence I have used an article the before a boy. Why? Because see here a person or thing already referred to. We have already referred to a boy in the first sentence. That's why in the second statement we have used an article the before the noun boy. Okay, I hope that you must have understood these two uses of the article the. Now let's study a few other examples of the article the. With ordinals. The article the is used with ordinals. Ordinals are the numbers. Okay, with them we use the article the. For example, see here examples. Ram was the first to help us. Ram was the first to help us. So here first is an ordinal number. So before ordinal number we have used the article the first. Okay, Another example, the first chapter of the book is very good. So here also the first is an ordinal number, therefore we have used an article the here before ordinals or before an ordinal, the first. Okay, this is also one of the important uses of the article the. Another use of an article the, we use the article the with superlatives. There are 3 degrees of comparison in English. They are positive, comparative and superlative. So in the superlative degrees we use definite article the. Let us study it. Virat is the best batsman in the world. So see here, best is a superlative degree. Okay, so here best is a word of superlative degree, so here we have used the before the word best. Okay, America is one of the richest countries in the world. Okay, America is one of the richest. Another example of article the, we will see it. Please have a look at the board. As an adverb with comparatives. Comparative is also a type of a degree. Okay, example, the more we get, the more we want. So here also we use the definite article the as an adverb with comparatives or in comparative degree. Another usage of the article the. See here, we use the definite article the with common nouns used as a class to represent a whole group. Okay, with common nouns used as a class to represent a whole group. So we use the definite article the also here. So see here examples, the bullock is a useful animal. The bullock is a useful animal. Okay, it is a common noun. Okay, bullock is a common noun, but here it is representing a whole group. So we have used the definite article the before it. Okay, with common nouns used to represent a whole class. In this way we can say with common nouns used to represent a whole class. Another example, the dog is a faithful animal. So here also dog is a common noun, but it is referring to a whole class. It is referring to a whole group or the class. So here we have used a definite article the. Another usage of the definite article the, here things which are unique or special. Okay, see here we use definite article the before the things which are very special or unique. Okay, so examples, see here, examples, the earth, because earth is only one in the world. So before earth we are using a definite article the here. The moon, the east, the equator, the earth, the moon, the east, the equator, the sky. See here, all these things, earth, moon, east, equator, sky, okay, the sun, all these things are very unique, or they are very special, or we can say that there is not anything which is as unique as them. That's why we have used definite article the before them. That's why we have to use the definite article the before them. Now let us study a few other examples of definite article the. Before the names of a certain books, we use the definite article the here. Let us study a few examples. See here, the Ramayana, because Ramayana is a book, so we have used an article the before it. The Bible, the Vedas, okay. So we use the definite article the before the names of certain books, okay, certain books. After that, before we use the definite article the before the names of certain we can say rivers, mountain ranges, okay, rivers, mountain ranges, again oceans, we use the definite article before all these things. For example, see here, the Ganga, the Yamuna, we are using a definite article the before the names of rivers. Again, mountain ranges, the Himalaya, okay. Again, oceans, the Pacific Ocean, So these are the various uses of definite article the. I hope that you must have understood the various and important uses of a definite article the. I hope that this video will prove to be helpful to all of you. Thanks for watching the video. I appeal all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel for an effective preparation of English language and grammar. Thanks. Have a good day.